A mostly lower day on Monday in grain and livestock futures trade. Ellison Thompson is in with the money farm. And Ellison, okay, the pullback, especially in corn and soybeans on Monday, was it just profit taking? Because we did have higher weekly closes last week.
We did. We had actually a good run up through the Thanksgiving holiday. So we had a lot of moving pieces last week that definitely can amplify some moves one direction or the other. Deliveries on those December contracts. You also had month end positioning and, of course, a holiday week. So we're getting traders back from holiday and some of those things. And we did push up against resistance levels last week. So without any firm conviction on why we should continue to go higher, I think grain markets just took the easy road out and did trade a little bit lower here to start the week.
So we also had rumors or at least some confirmation of China business on soybeans last week, but we didn't have any flash sales Monday morning. So it felt like the market was disappointed with that too.
Yes, exactly. Last week we got a lot of momentum just from those rumors. We were hearing rumors of 10 to 15 cargoes of soybeans that would be destined for China. And so far they remain unconfirmed. We did receive one export sale of China to finish last week, but I think the market's looking for a big lump sum.
Ellison, do we need all 12 million metric tons of China business confirmed before we go back and retest November's highs, or what's it going to take?
Yes, I think it would be really good to see those full sales come through. But whether we get that by the end of the year or not, I mean, anybody's guess at this point. It's been slow so far. So I'm kind of using the road of caution that we might not get there by the end of the year.
Cattle market also disappointing, lower on Monday after higher weekly closes last week. So why did we not see any follow through?
We didn't close on lows, and I guess we didn't use the daily limits lower here to start the week. Those are good signs. At least it's a constructive way to start the week. But I think the market, we haven't gotten new fundamentals. So the only thing that we're watching here, fundamental wise, or that's going to lead the market is the cash market. And so I think we're watching cash very closely here to start the week and where it's going to close for the week on giving us some direction.
All right. Thanks so much. Ellison Thompson with the Money Farm. That is Markets Now.